How to add iDeal payments to your Shopify store if you have a store on Shopify. And if you want to add iDeal payments to your Shopify store account, how you can do it. So open your browser in front of you. The first step is to open your Microsoft or open your Google Chrome in front of you. Click on official Shopify website and here click on the first option, the first official website. Then you have to click on the login button to log into your account using your Gmail ID and your password. After logging into your account, you will see on the home page on the right there is a lot of details in front of me, but I will click on the left and on the bottom left of the screen that is setting option. In setting there is a lot of menu in front of you, but you have to simply go on the fifth one, that is payment section. And here in the payment section you can see there is a lot of option, but when you come to the above there is supported payment method. There is an option to add payment method. In the payment method you have to search for iDeal, and here you can see this is iDeal. Click on this and then you can select your payment method, your checkout method, and yes, after this you can simply add your iDeal account to your Shopify. This is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching this, and please subscribe to our channel for watching more videos and technical updates like this. Please don't miss to hit the bell icon to get more updates just in some seconds. Thank you so much for watching it.